sink's clogged. We go out here. There's a... That's not even glued on there. Holy cow. Well, guess it doesn't really matter. Today's machine of choice, 3/8 Gorlets. Just got a grease clog. Pretty typical for a kitchen sink. Kitchen sink's running. Clean out cap off. No water coming out. I got the clog. Alright, so we're underneath and straight down this way. That's where the clean out was. And per the customer request, wanted me to crawl under here to make sure there were no bellies. And it doesn't look like it at all. And right over there ties into a 4-inch. And maybe at most this section from that coupling to this no hub right there looks a little flat, but there aren't any bellies at all.